I forgot one thing. It says here that we have to use the text tool to identify the shape with a label for each of the regular polygons. I'm going to do one. I'll let you do all the rest of them. The text tool is right here. It's the letter A. I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to come out, and you left click, click and hold, and then drag down to the right, and you get the text right here. And I'm going to put in the text that I want, which is 6-sided, and then I'll green check mark. And the size of the text is based on that dialog box that I drew. So that's the move corner. Usually different corners do different things. My suggestion to you is don't make the text that big right now. Anyways, so that's how you how you write the text. Just choose your size a little bit better than what I did. But that's funny. I can't, yeah, usually you can edit that stuff, but Onshape's a little different. Okay. So anyways, that's how you add text.